Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best stencil brick is probably one of the most versatile and cost-effective ways to add a unique decorative touch to your home or garden, offering a customizable alternative to traditional brickwork that can be applied to various surfaces, from walls and floors to furniture and outdoor spaces, allowing for endless creative possibilities and a personalized aesthetic that truly stands out. Number 5. Brick Stencil Wall Painting. Introducing our brick stencil, designed to effortlessly brighten up any room in your home. Transform ordinary walls into a stunning brick feature with ease. This large stencil, measuring 36 by 24 inches, ensures your project is completed quickly and efficiently. Achieve professional-looking results in no time. Crafted from durable 12mm mylar, this stencil is laser-cut for precision. It's built to last, allowing you to reuse it for multiple projects. Turn any plain surface into a masterpiece. Our stencil makes it simple to create beautiful brick designs that add character and style. Looking for an affordable and fun DIY solution? This stencil is the perfect alternative to traditional wallpaper, making your decorating project enjoyable and satisfying. Ideal for any space, update your bathroom, living room, kitchen, or bedroom. It's perfect for accent walls or revitalizing any dull spot in your home or business. What we like? This stencil is designed for speed and efficiency with its large size. If you're looking to cover a big area quickly, this is the perfect choice for you. It's ideal for large accent walls or entire rooms where time is a factor. What people say. The stencil brick is a great product for adding a decorative touch to your walls. It is easy to use and creates a realistic brick look. The stencil is durable and can be reused multiple times. Number 4. CRAFTER'S Workshop Reusable Stencil, Classic Brick Texture. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crafter, these reusable stencils make every project feel simple, fun, and rewarding. They are great for all your crafting needs. Cut with care, these stencils deliver crisp results no matter your medium. The artist-designed templates inspire creativity with every use. Layer texture on reclaimed wood, textiles, sketchbooks, or any hobby project for boutique-worthy creations. They are incredibly versatile. This tiny brick layout adds structure and grit, perfect for steampunk, urban, or industrial designs. Achieve a unique look with ease. Artist-designed and crafted with intention, they support confidence and creativity at every skill level. Plus, they are washable for reuse, keeping inspiration flowing. What we like? Achieve a classic micro brick look with stunningly crisp results. This stencil is perfect for detailed craft projects on wood, fabric, or even journals. If you love intricate designs and a touch of urban grit, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to use and creates a realistic brick effect. Durable and weather-resistant material. Adds a unique and stylish look to walls. Number 3. CRAFTER'S Workshop Julie's Word Stencil. Discover the Julie's Word Stencil from the CRAFTER'S Workshop. It's perfect for adding a personal touch to your home decor projects. Designed with you in mind, this stencil makes creating beautiful artwork simple and enjoyable. Its transparent design allows for precise placement every time. Elevate your living space with unique, handcrafted art. This versatile tool is ideal for a variety of home interior projects, bringing your vision to life. Enjoy the convenience of a stencil that's both easy to use and simple to store. Its compact size makes it a great addition to any craft collection. Crafted with care in the USA, you can trust in the quality and durability of this essential crafting tool. Get ready to create something amazing. What we like? This stencil offers exceptional ease of use and convenient storage. If you're working on smaller home interior art projects or need something simple to handle, this transparent stencil is a great option. It's designed for straightforward application and beautiful results. What people say. These are really unique stencils. I think they must be laser cut because they are fine intricate patterns. Great quality and design. Super durable, easy to clean and lovely design. Number 2. DIY Brick Stencil Template Set. Unleash your creativity with this durable and reusable stencil. Its simple operation makes it perfect for any project. This template is suitable for a variety of artistic mediums, including paint, ink, and sprays. Let your imagination guide you. Apply it to fabric, wood, walls, furniture, and more to add a unique decorative touch to any item. Ideal for scrapbooking, painting, and various craft projects, this stencil will elevate your DIY endeavors. Crafted from sturdy plastic, it's designed for repeated use, offering great value and endless creative possibilities. Measuring 4.7 inches x 9.4 inches, it's the perfect size for detailed work and adding charming patterns to your creations. What we like? Get a set of 6 durable and reusable stencils for a variety of applications. If you enjoy painting on different surfaces like fabric, wood, or furniture, this versatile set offers great value. It's perfect for the DIY enthusiast who likes to experiment. What people say? Excellent well-cut stencils, good variety, versatility, easy to wrap around an item to use instead of a flat surface, grace, clarity, definition of shape and image. Using these stencils gave the dresser drawers an antique look. They were extremely easy to use and came with multiple patterns. The best part is they are reusable and can be washed off with water when using with most paints. These stencils are fairly sturdy and include beautiful designs. The actual stencil area is 4 inches by 8.14 inches. I use them for creating backgrounds for cards and also in my mixed media journals. I've even used them to create a textured background on canvas. Number 1. Tim Holtz Layered Stencil, Bricked. Discover the bricked layered stencil from Tim Holtz. This unique tool is designed to add incredible texture and dimension to your paper crafts. Unleash your creativity with this versatile stencil. It's perfect for layering with inks, paints, and stamps to achieve amazing effects. Simply place it on your project and apply your medium. The possibilities for creating beautiful and intricate designs are endless. This is just one of the many creative designs available. Collect them all to expand your crafting toolkit. Crafted with quality by Stampers Anonymous, this stencil is a must-have for any serious crafter. What we like? Explore unique layered designs for your creative projects. This stencil is ideal for paper crafts, allowing you to add depth and dimension with inks and paints. If you're a crafter who loves experimenting with layers and textures, this is a must-have. What people say? Tim Holtz stencils always work well, and this one was no exception. This pattern is great for different techniques with pastes, inks, sprays, and more. This Tim Holtz stencil is a solid choice, good size, easy to use, and works well with a variety of mediums. Great stencil. Used in mixed media painting and it turned out really well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.